Now that we've removed all the shells from the shrimp, we're going to discard them, and we're going to get our blackening spice. Now we've made more blackening spice than we need for these shrimp, and that's why I brought a different plate. If we dump these shrimp into the blackening spice and then onto this plate, then all of this has been contaminated. So what I'm going to do instead is sprinkle it down on this plate. This will also give you an extra chance to make sure that there are no lumps of seasoning anywhere. So spread the seasoning out evenly, and with your hands, just coat the shrimp. Remember this part in the back so that you get the blackening all throughout the shrimp.